Hi, I'm Kristen with Unexpected Atlanta, an award-winning food and history tour company offering unique experiences for corporate teams, friends, families, and more. Now, downtown Atlanta is a hub of innovation, talent, and fun, and today we're sharing a few of our favorite downtown Atlanta team outings for an unforgettable day out. So first, I want you to head to the Chick-fil-A College Football Hall of Fame. This is where your group can feel that game day ready feeling all year round. So explore their special exhibits, run through the touchdown tunnel, and put your football skills to the test on an indoor playing field. That's where you'll find me. Now, for groups of 15 people or more, the College Football Hall of Fame does offer special team building packages. So bring your own sack lunches or even order lunch from that Chick-fil-A right next door. How convenient. Now, you don't have to be a football fan to have a great time here. This outing is sure to be a touchdown for everyone on your team. Another favorite downtown location is the historic Municipal Market. Now, that is home to over 30 local businesses. Here, your team can browse fresh produce, their full-service bakery, there's even gelato and praline shops if you got a sweet tooth. There's butchers, seafood purveyors, popular eateries, and more. It's located in the Sweet Auburn neighborhood, and this spot was founded in 1918 as an open-air market, but today, its permanent building is a destination for locals and tourists alike. The Municipal Market is a great place to stop in between downtown activities, and it's also worth a trip all by itself. Make a day of it. To learn more about the Sweet Auburn neighborhood and its important history, join us on one of our Unexpected Atlanta Civil Rights walking tours. But to spark creativity and conversation with your team, head to Atlanta Contemporary. It's just north of downtown. This museum has changed the way that Atlantans view art for over 50 years now. It's one of the Southeast's leading contemporary art centers, and this vibrant space, it'll help your team to think outside the box and create new connections. Each year, Atlanta Contemporary presents works from over 100 artists. They also commission new works and play host to a variety of exciting art-focused events. There's always something new going on there. So while admission to Atlanta Contemporary is free, we encourage you to support the arts in our city with a donation or sponsorship. For more creative corporate field trips and team building ideas, visit us at unexpectedatlanta.com. Plus, hit that like and follow button to join us as we show you the best activities and outings across Atlanta. And of course, we can't wait to host you soon on one of our unforgettable walking tours or corporate experiences. We'll see you there.